Greetings fellow foodies. On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of restaurants to go to while in Nice, France. The followings are our disclaimer. Our recommendations are based on price, taste, originality, hygiene, restaurant environment, hospitality, food presentation, and family friendly. The videos will have the pictures of food and restaurant in hope that you can sense the ambience within and decide which one is the most well suited for you and your loved ones. Some of the pictures presented are solely for reference, and some of the pictures are from the restaurant's profiles and specifications. The pictures are presented in an easy layout in hope to give better information for the viewers and future potential visitors. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice of top restaurant to visit in Nice, France will be La Vigna. Do try the duck breast and the filet steak. Number 2, La Rustie. Try the razor clam with pear and the veal bulletin. Number 3, Citrus. Try the octopus salad and the braised lamb. Number 4, La Femme du Boulanger. Get the duck breast and apple tart. All the bread in this restaurant are freshly made on the day. The restaurant is particularly famous for their brunch. Number 5, Coco Grill. Vegan and raw fruit. Try the Kim cheeseburger and the banana pie. The food choices are ideal for gluten-free dieters. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other video and our Instagram JazzyFeast. Until next time.